Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming basics: battery, software, and a clean fit. First, charge the case and buds to at least 50% and make sure your iPhone has the latest update. This prevents firmware conflicts. Next, remove and inspect ear tips. Debris or wax alters noise canceling. Once done, connect and tap the eye icon in Bluetooth settings so you can access noise control and firmware info. This gives you controls and diagnostics to proceed with focused troubleshooting. Now you dive into control and calibration. Toggle noise control through off, active noise cancellation, and transparency to force the ANC module to reinitialize. This often clears transient glitches. Run the ear tip fit test so you verify seal and ANC effectiveness, and while here check the firmware version. Mismatched versions can degrade performance. If problems persist, forget the AirPods from Bluetooth and reconnect, and test them on a second device to determine whether the issue is. Finish with deeper resets and validation steps. Perform a full reset by placing both buds in the case, holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This restores factory settings. To trigger firmware updates, keep the AirPods in the charged case near your paired iPhone with Bluetooth enabled and the phone unlocked. Updates install automatically. If active noise cancellation still underperforms after these steps, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. Hardware faults like a failed ANC mic are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.